Alright guys, so I'm doing something that I've never done before in the 18 years that we've been married. Almost 18 years that we've been married. I'm letting my wife cut my hair. No barbershops, Great Clips isn't open, no place is open right now. So my hair is starting to become like a, the typical Asian helmet hair. And I ain't down with that. I ain't down with that. So I have got to cut my hair. And so I actually ordered a special clipper set here. And hopefully this is gonna help. This is the Wall Cordless Magic Clip. Let's see if it can do some magic, because I sure as heck aren't confident in this little one.
Wait, what's so special about this?
Well, it's supposed to be professional, so,
okay.
And it's got longer guards.
So basically like foolproof? Is that what you're saying?
That's what I'm hoping, that it's foolproof.
Okay.
Okay, so.
I think I might be more nervous than he is, though. I'll just let you know.
Hair is just hair, it'll grow back, but no one's gonna see me anyways, because we're quarantining in our home for who knows how long. So if she screws up, then she screws up, right?
Yeah.
It's all good. So okay, let's see how good of a job she does. So I want 1.5 on the sides, right here, kind of a medium blend. Okay, taper to 0, all around, behind the ears, sideburns in the back, and then kind of just texturize on top. If you don't mind, finger length on top, please. Okay. And I think we'll be good.
Okay, just in case y'all don't know, Asian hair is like stick straight. My boys have this hair.
That's why we fine.
It is so hard. It's beautiful hair, but it's so hard to cut. It like sticks straight out of their head.
That's why I said I ain't down with the helmet head, you know?
It makes me nervous. But I'm willing to try for this guy. Okay,
let's
1.5.
Oh, by the way, this is
our kids.
This is for the kids.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
Cute, right?
Yeah, dinosaurs. And I don't know if this is like official, but this is toilet paper. My mom used to do this when she would cut my dad's hair, and I think it just helps like the itch, like the hairs go.
It does.
Going down. So we're just, a little tip. Okay, here we go. There it goes. That hair's never gonna be back.
Are you even cutting anything?
Yeah, it's here. Okay.
Now, if this works, guys, I'm never going to the barber shop again, or to Great Clips. I wouldn't call Great Clips a barber shop. What do you call it? A hair cutting place?
Yeah.
Because many times Great Clips doesn't get my hair right, and
he doesn't pay very much money.
It's like
for his hair.
$20, That's with tip. It's $15 and I tip them. So, so yeah, they never. It's probably like 70% of the time they don't get my hair right, so I have to come home and fix it myself anyway. Christina's being very gentle with my hair right now.
Can we put a bowl on your head?
I don't want a chili bowl.
No, just so I can know that it's on the same.
Look.
Does it look the same?
Look, you can just go like this. Look.
You want it up even higher?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, see that?
Okay. Okay.
There we go. See, that's more like it. Look at that. Then you gotta blend it.
I didn't know how high to go.
What do you think about this so far? Is it good?
No, it looks horrible right now. Is that how it looks originally? I think it may need to go up even higher. But that is interesting.
Don't go too high, babe.
I'm just trying
Because
to.
you're doing a 3 here and all of a sudden you're putting a 2.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get that. There
I get it, but you'll get high. So that's probably the way it's gonna be now. She done jacked it up. Oh well. That's that. Okay, let's go into 5 is considered finger length. Where is the 5?
So that one?
It's 8, 4. Did it fall?
I don't think so.
2, 3. Alright, so they don't have a 5 guard. I don't know how they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. These Chinese people don't know how to count. But I guess we're gonna use a 4 guard. 5 guard is supposed to be finger length. My head's done jacked up anyway, so. Okay, let's go. Here we go. I got the buzz cut now.
I tried to talk him out of it. He won't go for it. Your hair is getting all over my lips.
Because you're doing it wrong. I don't know why my hair's flying all over the place. none of my people who cut my hair ever go. Hair in my mouth. Okay.
This is the one.
No, this is a half. You can do just like around.
Got it.
Just blend it up. Oh my gosh, honey. There's a guard there for a reason. So that you can push it up against my skin.
Yeah, but I don't want it to be. This is a 1.5. That's a big difference.
Okay, fine. Here, just use a 1. Maybe I can do it.
Hun,
Okay, here. There you go.
don't have an attitude or else we'll have to take you out.
Ow, dude.
Ow?
Rough. Using the pointy. I don't know how the.
Sorry. Goodness.
Sorry, I don't like 20 little pointy things
Hun,
into my neck.
you're the one that's like, you're too taking it too easy. Oh no, it's too rough.
Guard doesn't work that way, just so you know.
Like this?
The guard, you have to use this part of the guard. So you have to come around the side.
Okay.
You understand? Hair all over your face. Like this. Make sense?
Yeah.
She's got hair all over her face. Ew. I don't know how you do it. Even I don't have that much hair in my face.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh, hon. You're holding it and you're like, use the guard.
I hear.
That's why it's there.
I'm just trying to not go flesh to you. I'm trying to go at an angle. So I'm just having that part.
Done?
Okay.
All right, guys. So it's pretty short. Shorter than it's ever been.
Yeah.
But you know, it'll work. I like it.
Yeah.
Texturize it. Just at the tips. You just at the tips, so it thins it out.
Yes, I know what those are.
Just at the top. All right, guys, we are done. I think. Check it out. Save 20 bucks, you know.
Yeah. This is what I want to know is after today, are you still gonna go to Great Clips?
I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe we should invest in a 5-guard.
Yeah, there was supposed to be a 5-guard because this ended up being a 4-guard on top and a little bit shorter than we expected, but you deal with what you got, right? But it's all right. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
This is what you get, right? You can't go to a shop, and so you got your own tools. You got your wife help you out. And hey, if she approves, that's all that matters. Really.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
That's true.
That's all that matters. So
I did think he needs some product in his hair, so he'll take a shower. Maybe
she's like, you are gonna still put stuff in your hair, right?
I don't want it to be like so short that you don't do your hair. Anyway,
she's picky. She's got a mustache, dude. Check it out. She's got hair all over me. Okay, guys.
I got messy. I don't know if you can see.
Don't be afraid to let your spouse do your hair or cut your hair for you. It'll be all right. It all grows back. So I got a little nervous a few times there because I wasn't sure if she knew what she's doing, and obviously she didn't. But she figured it out. Live and learn. Mm-hmm. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my haircut. First time ever letting her do anything like that to my hair. So it's a first for everything, and it happened thanks to the coronavirus. Helped with that. So anyways, we'll check you guys later. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll check y'all later. Adios.